Hey guys, I'm out in the back garden and back here I'm growing some cruciferous. So I've got broccoli and cauliflower going on right now. And sometimes it's kind of hard to figure out when is the perfect time to go ahead and harvest those things. So my advice to you is two things. We're going to watch for the little tiny buds like on each of the rosettes that you'll see. They start to open up. They start to open up, that means that the flowers will be coming. So you want to get them when they're tight still. And I would probably just err on the side of caution of just going ahead and picking them even though a little sooner. And sometimes the heads you think that are going to be huge, and then sometimes they're going to be smaller, and that's going to be depending on when you actually planted them and how your weather is going. So maybe you think that they should be like this massive size because it's a cauliflower and it ends up only being this. But it's going to go to seed if you leave it too long, so just kind of pay attention to the little things, and I'm about to point that out to you guys, showing it up close. So hold on a second. All right, here's the back garden. So we have a purple one right here, and that's looking really good. I'm going to leave this for just another, I'm going to keep watching it every day just to see how it's forming and make sure nothing's getting funky with it. Then we've got one over here. That's a pretty nice size, especially for what I'm getting this year because of all the rain, and I got the garden in a little late, so that was my fault. This actually has some worm poop on there, see that green stuff? So I could search for worms and kill, get rid of them. Gotta watch my wording. And then or just wash it in some salt water when I harvest it. So I'm gonna leave that one for another day as well. But we also have this one over here that just decided to go a little crazy. Do you see how, move these leaves back, my jungle back here. See how everything is open and just kind of, it's going to bolt. So I'm going to pick this one today. That was probably, should have been picked a couple days ago. It could have just had an issue too where it was, but it's still edible. It's just that store look that you usually are ready for and stuff like that. So let's see if I can climb through here and find some more. So here is a broccoli, and what I mean about the little rosettes, each one of those are little flower type things, so I'm kind of looking at those right now. Like my dirty fingernail. Jeez, Laura. Out in the garden much? So I'm going to pick this as well. This is just, look at how small. I mean, it's really small, but it's my fault. I got the garden in late, and it's been really, really hot, so they just have not responded that well. But I'm still going to go ahead and pick it, because these are about to turn into flower, because they're a little loose and stuff like that. So I'm like, just going to snap it off and just keep collecting whatever else I can find here. Okay, I think one last little thing about broccoli and about broccoli in specific. So when you pick these heads, I know this is not a very fantastic head to show off about, but when you pick them, keep the plant there. It's going to send off so many different shoots for you that you'll be able to get so many different little small pieces that are, I call them little dippers, little broccoli dippers and stuff like that. So you don't want to tear that plant out yet for the broccoli, because it's going to give you so many more little things that'll be great to keep harvesting and put it in your freezer if you choose, or dip them in ranch like I like to. See ya. All right, here's the dippers, as I like to call them. There's a little dipper seat right there where the stalk was already. I pulled off the main one, and now it's shooting up all these other little ones. So I'm going to pick all of those about when they get to about this size right here. And then we'll keep saving those as well and keep getting more stuff from the garden. Isn't that awesome? Ta-da! The purple beans are here. A few of them just started showing up. And I'm excited. I'm going to pick a few for dinner to go on the grill with my awesome other stuff that I like to put on the grill. So it's good stuff. I'll put the link for the recipe below. It works out really good. Yeah, we're starting to get some. What's great about doing a trellis system is that they hang down, and I don't have to bend over to pick them up or anything like that. So hanging on this trellis is a perfect way to go ahead and just pluck them off.